how are you? Thank you so much for being here and watching. So today we're opening up MindWander. I'm super excited. It's been a little while since I opened this on my channel. So if you don't know what MindWander is, it is a box that's curated by a therapist, and it has a bunch of self-care items and workbooks to help you deal with and improve your anxiety and stress levels, which I think is great. I know I'm not the only one that suffers from anxiety sometimes, so I think this is super useful and has a lot of great stuff. So I will leave the link down below along with all the pricing information. They do offer 2 different subscriptions for MindWander. The mini box is $19.99 and the full-size box, which we will be opening today, is $39.99, and it is available on Cratejoy. So yeah, let's get this box open. This is what it looks like. When I get the box open it, this is what I see. It looks like there's a card here with a quote on it. It says, "You've been criticizing yourself for years and it hasn't worked. Try approving of yourself and see what happens. Louis Hay." And there's a cute little sheep. And my voice is definitely improved, but if it sounds a little different or I like squeak or anything, yeah, it's just now I'm recovering from being sick. And on the back of this, it has a habit tracker, so this must go along with what we will be doing in this box. And then I see some cute little stickers here. Maybe we could use it on our tracker. We'll find out. And every box comes with a mini workbook, which I think is great. And it looks like this month the mini workbook is all about self-love. I love that. So I'm pretty sure this is the February box. I am behind on unboxing everything. Like I already mentioned, I'll try not to keep mentioning it in all my videos. I was down and out, like, and sick for 2 weeks or more, so that's why I'm a little behind, but hoping to catch up today. There's a little note in the beginning. It says, "Hi MindWanderers, welcome to your self-love workbook. This month you'll take a big step towards learning to love and care for yourself. You'll develop an attitude of compassion toward yourself and discover strategies to silence your inner critic. Make this work a priority, and a month from now you'll have a different relationship with the most important person in your life, you. As always, these strategies are grounded in cognitive behavioral therapy, a type of therapy with decades of research to support it. I'm Dr. Sarah, the clinical psychologist and therapist behind MindWander. I have a PhD in clinical psychology and specialize in working with anxiety, stress, and depression. It can be hard to know which strategies for anxiety and depression come from pop psychology and which ones are grounded in science. You can feel confident that your MindWander skills are going to be effective." And then that's from Dr. Sarah. And then inside here, there will be all these pages to work through. I think this is so great. Look, I love how colorful it is. So it gives you some like readings to do and also some practices. Like for mindfulness, it says record your mindful observations below. Some challenges to improve. I think this is awesome. So, and on the back, it also has some additional resources, which is great. So let's move on to the next items. It looks like we have a mask here. I've tried this brand before. I think I got it in a test tube beauty box, but not this exactly, because this is a hand mask. Cool. It's called Soon Shea Butter Hand Mask. It's made with shea butter, green tea extract, and tea tree leaf extract. That's so cool. I never use hand masks, but I'm totally down. I've used a butt mask, I've used feet mask, and now I will use a hand mask. I would think this would come before the butt mask, but that also came in the test tube box. So this is exciting. It says, "Get a grip on dry, stressed skin with this pampering hand mask. All natural ingredients work together to minimize fine lines and hydrate skin for a noticeably softer touch." Awesome. I think this definitely falls into the category of self-love, taking care of yourself. And then we have a little notepad here that actually is titled Self-Love. So this is something that can help you with the exercise this month. It says situation, you fill it out, and then what I notice, normalizing my feelings, kind words to say to myself, and what I use for my compassion kit. So this will be a tool to go along with the compassion kit, which I'm assuming is either in this workbook or we'll find out soon. Oh, we have a magnet here, and it looks like there's a cat on it. It says true love includes self-love too. Demand, if I'm saying that right. That's super cute, so you can put this on your fridge or wherever for a reminder, and I love cats, perfect. And it looks like we have another self-care item here by Herbal Oil Company, Pinky Toes Foot Soak. This is made with pink Himalayan salt, organic red roses, and pink grapefruit oil. And on the back it says, to use, pour this pink treat in some warm water and let your toes embrace the luxury of sea salt, red roses, and grapefruit. This is organic, all natural, and cruelty-free. And I like the sound of this. And I see a bath bomb here as well. This is all good for self-care and self-love. This is a Fizzy bath bomb, and it's in the scent Fairy Tale Love. Let's see if my congested self can smell. Oh, yeah, I can smell it right away. I'm a little congested still, but it smells awesome. And a bath is a great way to decompress. Next up we have this little thing here. I think this is to hold some cards. So let me get this open. Yep, so here we have something that says MindWander. It looks like it's a card holder. And we have some cards here. We've gotten these in past boxes. So one side says self-love, and then there will be some like techniques and some advice on the other side. Let me open this and we could read a few. Yep, so I just put them in here, and let's take out the first one. These are so cute. Oh, and they actually have dates on them. And yeah, it is February again. Apologize for being late opening this, but it says group challenge. Create a dedicated spot for your self-care. Your desk, a nightstand, or an end table by the couch all work. Organize your MindWander materials, journals, or notebooks, and something inspirational there. Then post a photo and tag us. Nice. And then let's do this one. It says, share a photo of your compassion kit. You'll learn how to create this in session 3 of the workbook. And then I'll just read one more. This is supposed to be for the last day of the month. It says, it's the last day of the month. Get creative and take a photo that represents what you've learned this month from your MindWander box. I love how many activities there are, because that really helps you stay on track and like achieve your goals. I'm super excited to get into this. Ooh, the next item I see is chocolate. You know, I love that. This is by Theo. This is organic and fair trade, sea salt, 70% dark chocolate. Yum. I love stuff like this. And we have an item here by Roses and Rose Rosewater Face Mist. This is made of coconut, rosewater, geranium, and vitamin E, and it's 2 ounces. Nice, let's spray a little in the air. That smells really good. I'll definitely use this. And then we have one more item in here, and it says, be beautiful with you. This is super cute. And this is by Primitives by Kathy, made in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. It has a little tassel at the end and a zipper closure, so you could use this like store the items you got in this box, or use it as a cosmetic bag, whatever you want. It feels really nice and soft too. Awesome. So those were all the items. I'm just going to open this and see what they were talking about with the Mindfulness Kit. Is that what it was called? Okay. Oh, and it talks about all of the items in the box here. It says your box is here, items included in the deluxe and mini. So the self-love workbook is this right here, and this has a retail value, let's say $5. The challenge card pack and the challenge card holder, $5 for the cards and $3 for the card holder. And there is a Facebook group. I forgot to mention this earlier. When you're a subscriber, you get access to this Facebook group, and it says, when you join MindWander, you join a community of other women just like you, working to make self-care a priority. Connect with us in the Facebook group for support, encouragement, and accountability. Members consistently say the group is one of the best parts of their MindWander membership. Also, new members each month are entered into a giveaway to win a free box. Awesome. I think that is great to have a group like that, to talk to someone. If you don't have someone in real life, you always have that group online. And then the self-love checklist. So we have a self-love calendar, what's getting in the way, mindfulness practice, your inner critic, self-compassion practice, compassion kit, coping cards, loving kindness meditation, and monthly reflection. So I think this is great. So I'm not going to read all of this to you, but this is really such a great workbook that works you through all of the lessons. And yeah, so the compassion kit, this is what I was talking about. For compassion kit, it says list items for each of your 5 senses below, then put everything you need in a special box or bag to complete your kit. Oh, nice. So that is everything. I love how they have a habit tracker. I really want to improve my life in so many ways, including like more you know, self-care habits. So I will use that for this, and I love how we have the stickers to go along with it. But I think this box is so great. So they give us a bunch of tools to work through self-love and improving our lives in many ways. I think that is so helpful. And then they also give some extra self-care items like a facial mist, bath bomb, a foot soak. We have the hand mask, some chocolate. So yeah, I think this is such a great box. So if you or anyone you know struggles with self-love or with depression, anxiety, or anything like that, I think this is definitely a helpful tool. I love that it's created by an actual therapist, and she has her doctor of psychology, Dr. Sarah. She's great. She's the one who puts this together, so everything we're getting is based off of current guidelines and science. So yeah, that is everything for today's video. Definitely leave your thoughts down below. I will link this box like I said. Anyways, I miss you guys. I'm back to filming. Hopefully my voice isn't too painful, but yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.